Hi guys! For this video, ang pag-uusapan naman natin is the first method of numerical integration, which is the trapezoidal rule. Okay, sige, simulan na natin tong discussion. So, wait lang. The trapezoidal rule is considered to be the simplest method of numerical integration, no? In this method, the value of the integral of f of x dx from a to b is approximated by adding the area of series of trapezoid as shown below. So, yun yung concept ng trapezoidal rule. Halimbawa, di ba, kung babalikan mo lang naman yung calculus nyo, alam nyo naman na integration is simply area under the curve. Yun yung meaning niya. Tandaan nyo. So, dito, ang ginawa, from point A to point B, ikinat mo siya ng several segment, let's say 6 sa drawing na to. Tapos, inassume nyo na yung endpoints dito, kinonect nyo siya as trapezoid. So, kinonect mo, itong una, area sub 1 is considered as trapezoid. Yung area sub 2 considered as trapezoid. Ito din, area sub 3, trapezoid, sub 4. Anyway, basta lahat lang yan ay trapezoid. Okay? So, yun yung konsepto ng trapezoidal rule. Lahat dito, dinivide mo siya ng kung ilan man yan, tapos equal ang spacing niyan, kaya magiging trapezoid siya. Okay? So, syempre, approximation yan kasi kung titingnan nyo dito, parang may overlap, dito may gap, tapos gap ulit gap, then may overlap. So, this is always an approximate solution, kaya tandaan nyo yan. Now, according dito, by the definition, the integral can be approximated as, ito siya, the integral of f of x dx from a to b is simply the summation of those area. I-add mo lang daw yung lahat ng trapezoids natin. Ganun lang kasimple. So, from plane geometry, alam natin na yung area of trapezoid naman class, di ba? Kung babalikan mo sa geometry nyo, ang area is simply 1/2 ng height times base sub 1 times base sub 2. So, halimbawa, ito yung strip natin. So, ito yung base sub 1, ito yung base sub 2, tapos ito yung height. Kaya ito yung formula ng area of the trapezoid. Okay? So, kung titingnan nyo, when H is the altitude, B sub 1 and B sub 2 are the measurement of bases. Thus, the area of each individual trapezoid, doon sa pinakita kong figure, ito siya, 1/2 ng H. Yung H kasi yun yung magiging base. Tapos, Y sub O plus Y sub 1. Again, if we are going back to the last slide, which is, ito siya. Hintay lang. O, ito no. Yung area sub 1 natin, ayun no. Nasobrahan na ako ng click. Medyo nagsisira-sira din kasi itong laptop ko ngayon. Ito. So, for area sub 1, that is 1/2 ng H. Tapos, yung bases, itong Y sub O, tapos Y sub 1. Tapos, yung A sub 2, ang height ulit as H, pero yung base is Y sub 1 and Y sub 2. So, continue nyo lang yun. Ganun lang naman yung ibig sabihin nun, class. Kaya, ito na yung mga areas natin. So, A sub 1 is 1/2 ng H, Y sub O plus Y sub 1. A sub 2 is 1/2 ng H, Y sub 1 plus Y sub 2. Tapos, ayan siya, A sub n plus 1. Ito yung area. Then, ayan. Pero since yung integral can be approximated by taking the sum of these areas, literal class na i-add nyo yan lahat. Kaya, ang tendency is ito siya. So, 1/2 nung area sub 1, area sub 2, so on so forth, area sub n plus 1, then area sub n. And kung titingnan nyo, pwede nyong i-factor yung h dito. Actually, yung 1/2 h is common siya sa lahat, no? So, pwede natin yan i-factor. Kaya ang lalabas is h over 2 na lang. So, y sub o, bakit naging 2y sub 1? Kasi y sub 1 plus y sub 1. And bakit naging 2y sub 2? So, y sub 2 plus dito sa may so on so forth, y sub 2 ulit yon plus so on so forth ulit, plus 2 y sub n minus 1 kasi y sub n minus 1, then another y sub n minus 1, then lastly plus y sub n. So ito na yung magiging integral using the trapezoid rule. Para mas ma-simplify natin, pwede natin i-factor ulit yung 2 dito. So magiging h over 2 y sub o plus 2 the quantity y sub 1 plus y sub 2 plus so on so forth plus y sub n minus 1. Assume muna natin na yung y sub 1 plus y sub 2 plus so on so forth plus y sub n minus 1 is equal to summation of y sub I plus I from I equals 1 to n minus 1. So yung formula natin for the trapezoid rule will be this one. So wag kang mag-alala, again, hindi to masyadong complicated. So h over 2 the quantity y sub o plus 2 summation of y sub I from I is equal to 1 to n minus 1, then plus y sub n. Where yung n natin is yung b minus a all over n. Okay? So yung b is the upper limit of the integral and a is the lower limit of the integral. Yung n is any division na gusto mo. Halimbawa, kung susundin mo yung figure natin kanina, yung n doon ay 6 kasi 6 na trapezoid. Pero kung gusto mong mas accurate ang sagot, the rule is dapat mas malaki ang n. Again, kung gusto mong mas accurate ang sagot, the rule is mas malaki ang n. Para maintindihan nyo, solve natin tong example na to. According dito, determine the value of the integral of 9x cubed minus 4x plus 3 over x dx from 1 to 6 kasi yun yung limits ng integral. Letter A, using the analytical method, ibig sabihin, gagamit ka ng integration techniques. And letter B, using the trapezoidal rule, sa pagkakataong ito, yung n natin ay equal sa 10. So, sige, simulan na natin tong solution natin. For the analytical solution, i-flash ko na lang siya kasi computein mo lang yung indefinite integral. Again, hindi ko na ito masyadong i-discuss kasi this is part of your basic calculus. Halimbawa, integral of 9x cubed is 9 over 4x to the 4th. Integral ng 4x is 2x squared. And integral of 3 over x is 3 ln of x. So, syempre, do not forget plus c kasi 'di ba? Integral calculus 'yan. So, in other words, ito yung ating indefinite integral, 'di ba? Kung maalala niyo sa calculus. So, paano natin ini-evaluate yung definite integral after nyong mahanap nung indefinite? Tigsa-substitute natin yung lower limit saka yung upper limit. So, uunahin muna natin yung upper limit. So, ito siya. Dito sa ating indefinite, 9 over 4 ng 6 to the 4th, minus 2 ng 6 squared, plus 3 ln 6 plus c. Then yung 1, sunod na isa-substitute mo, 9 over 4 ng 1 to the 4th, minus 2 times 1 squared, plus 3 ln of 1. Yung c, makaka-cancelled out kasi c minus c is 0. So, may numerical solution ka dito. May actual answer ka, di ba? And the actual answer is 2,849.1253. So, yun na yung sagot natin for the analytical solution or for the exact solution. Ang tanong ko ngayon is, paano naman natin to masosolve using the trapezoidal rule? Kasi yun na yung importante ngayon, the trapezoidal rule. So, this time, solve for the value of h muna tayo. Kasi syempre, yung n natin is 10, di ba? So, ang formula ng h is b minus a over n. Upper limit is 6, lower limit is 1, divided by 10, so that is 0.5. So, therefore, solve for the value of y sub 0 to y sub 10, which is presented sa kanan. So, ito na siya. Ang ginawa ko lang naman dyan, class, kasi baka yung iba malito. Diba, yung given na formulas natin or yung given na problem, wait lang naiipit kasi tong microphone ko. So, yung given na problem is the integral of from 1 to 6 ng ano nga yun? 9x cube minus 4x plus 3 over x dx. So, therefore, yung f of x natin dito, class, is yung integrand. Ito mismo yung f of x. 9x cube minus 4x plus 3 over x. And itong mga values na to, since ang limit natin is 1 to 6 and yung interval as ay 0.5, so magsisimula yan sa 1. Tapos, di ba dito sa problem, 1 papuntang 1.5, so interval of 0.5 to 2, to 2.5 to 3, dire-diretso yan. And syempre, at x is equal to 1, isa-substitute nyo siya dito sa f of x. So, yun lang naman yung ginawa ko. You can try that by yourself, class. Okay? So, ang importante, palagi kang magsa-substitute. Sir, pwede ba natin gawin yung simple technique natin, yung using the table? Yes, walang problema doon. Mas gamit na gamit nga yan dito sa integration eh. So, halimbawa, meron ulit tayong table, mode 7 ka, kasi table yan. I-type mo lang tong function mo, o 9x cube, tapos minus 4x, plus 3 over x, di ba? So, 3 over x siya. So, ano ba yung start? Di ba ang start natin is 1? Alam mo, magi-start sa 1, matatapos sa 6, and yung interval is the step 0.50. So, click mo lang siya, and just press equal sign. Ito siya, 8, 26.375, 65.5. Syempre dito, kung gusto mo siyang gawing decimal, click mo lang itong SD, 65.5, 131.825, 232, 372.7321, 560.75. For decimal places in maximum, no? 802.7197 or 7917, sorry. So, ito, click mo lang to, 1105.6, then 1475.92, and 1920.5. So, at least, no, kaya natin i-generate tong table na to using our calculators only. Anyway, back to the discussion na tayo for the Simpsons. Proceed na tayo sa solution. Pinapahanap sa problem yung summation na munang ito. So, paano natin yun gagawin? Sorry. Yung summation natin ng is from y sub 1 to y sub 9. Kasi 'di ba may summation tayo doon sa formula. So, ang gagawin mo lang, i-add mo lang po, ito no, tandaan nyo, i-add nyo lang yung lahat ng nasa gitna from y sub 1 to y sub 9. Literal, kailangan mo lang hanapin yung sum nila. So, ito ang gagawin nyo kapag trapezoid rule. Ulitin ko, i-add mo lang from x sub 1, or sorry, from y sub 1 to y sub 9. And ito yung naging solution dyan. Bahala na lang kayo mag-check nito arithmetic. Pwede nyo na lang yung i-add. Okay? And according dito, yung sum is 4773.4943. So, tiwala naman ako sa arithmetic ko. Feeling ko tama naman yung sum na yan. And paano na natin mako-compute yung integral dito? So, the approximate value of the integral is, ito na yung formula natin. Remember, yung formula ng trapezoid rule from the introduction, ito siya. So, ang kailangan mo na lang yung h. So, di ba yung h is 0.5. So, h over 2. Yung x sub 1 is 8. Yung summation is itong 4773.4943. Tapos, yung y sub 10 is 1920.5. Kasi, di ba, yung dalawang tig sa dulo, itong y sub o, tapos y sub n, para hindi kayo malito, yung dalawang yan na nasa dulo, ito lang yan sa table, yung hindi mo sinama sa pag-add mo. Itong 8, tapos itong 1920.5. Okay? So, di ba ang dali lang ng trapezoid rule? Pagka-sum mo nung nasa gitna, so, ito lang, gamitin mo tong formula na to. And ang lalabas, ang approximate value ng integral natin is 2,868.8722. Yung iba na lalayuan pa dito, kasi 'di ba yung exact answer natin is 2,849.1253. Kung titingnan nyo ulit yung module nyo sa analytical solution, yung sagot is 2,849.1253. Kaya nga, kinompute ko yung relative error. Again, pag sinabi nating relative error, yung error of the approximation, yung error niya is 0.69% lang. That is a good thing, no? Kasi 0.69%. Yung actual answer is 2,849. Yung na-compute nyo is 2,868. That is around ilan yan? Di pa nga nag-20. Di pa nga nag-20 yung ano. Over 2,000 to eh, di ba? Nasa around 2,000 to mga values na to. So, 0.69% is a very good approximation na, by the way. Pero yun na nga, while this value is very small na nga, since most numerical integration methods gave little to negligible error, there are some circumstances that the obtained value is not accepted. May mga pagkakataon kasi na ito, para sa mga engineer, masyado pa siyang malaki. Dapat mas accurate yung sagot nyo. So, to improve the accuracy of the solution, the student may use the larger value of n. Kanina kasi 10 ang ginamit natin, pero kung gusto mong gawing 20, okay lang. Or a better alternative is to use another accurate numerical method. Ano tong another numerical method? So, yung next lesson natin, which is the Simpson rule. Okay? So, kung ayaw mo ng trapezoid, some believe na mas accurate daw yung Simpson's rule. Actually, even ako, mas accurate talaga siya. Almost zero talaga yung error sa Simpson. Okay? So, speaking of that rule, i-end ko na muna tong video na to kasi yun na yung next topic natin, Simpson's 1/3 rule. So, thank you so much for listening and ingat!